Yes. Now we have to learn about the parallel execution. Okay. So by using a parallel execution, we can execute a number of test cases parallelly. Suppose we are executing five test cases parallelly. So the time will required, it will be the less. Okay, and in less time interval we can execute all our test cases, but we cannot increase the parallel execution just like 10 test cases, 15 test cases. It will impact on the performance. Okay, so many of the test cases get failed due to just we can say it takes time to load a page, or to time required for inspecting an element. Okay, so therefore we are not increasing the much more count of the parallel execution. So for that we will just, I'm just closing all, and we will create another XML file for the parallel execution. Just copy one XML file and just pasting it into the project. Okay, so I'm just opening it, and currently I'm just removing the listeners from here. Listeners, let it be. And inside this, inside the suite, we have to provide the uh, parallel name. Okay, yeah, spelling should be perfect. Just a minute. Yes, parallel. And here we can see here, inside the suite we have just declared the parallel. So we know that inside the suite we are having the different tests. Okay, different test folders inside the suite, and inside the test we are having the different classes. Okay, so when we are writing inside the suite, okay, means just हिमांगी लगेच जॉईन केलं ना तुम्ही? येस. ओके. सो माझा थोडा स्लो चालतोय PC, त्याच्यामुळे मला साइड बाय साइड पण नाही करता येत. Okay, okay, no problem. Yes. So basically we know that inside the suite we are having different test folders. Okay, different test folders, and inside the test we are having the different classes. Okay, when we are just maintaining, or when we are declaring the parallel keyword inside the suite, means parallelly it will execute the tests. Okay, different tests will be executed parallelly when we are declaring the parallel inside the test. Okay, means we are going to execute the different classes parallelly. Okay, so firstly we will learn about the parallel execution inside the suite. Okay, and here also we can just declare the test count also. Okay, how many tests should be executed parallelly? Suppose I'm declaring it here, it is a 5, and we have to, why we are getting the error, test count, sorry, thread count we have to provide, thread count. Okay, so thread count we are providing here 5, means 5 tests will get executed parallelly. Okay, so now we'll execute the code. So run as TestNg suite. Yes, so it is executed. Okay, so we are not able to analyze here the time, but we can execute it in a faster way. Okay, so the same parallel execution we can assign to the test also. So suppose I'm just copying this parallel, and inside this we are assigning the parallel test, but inside of the tests we have to pass the classes. Okay, classes. Now what we have to do, we have to execute the parallel classes. So only the uh, variable name will get changed. Okay, so here we are just using the test, or we can say the folder name. So a test is a folder. Okay, so different tests we are executing parallelly, and here we are executing parallelly different classes. Okay, here also we can provide the thread count to see. Yes, now we can execute it. So run as test in suite. Yes, it is executed. Okay, so intentionally we have failed one test case. So out of 13, 12 test cases get passed and one test case get failed. Okay, so this is about the parallel execution of the test cases. And one more thing, uh, it is the actual output we are getting in a console, but there is one we can say, the report is being generated by using the TestNg directly. So for that, after execution of our suit, we have to just right click on the project and we have to refresh it. Okay, once we refresh the project, in the test output folder, we are getting the file just like emailable report.html or index.html. Suppose I'm just opening emailable report. Okay, so here we can get, so there are total test cases passed are 12, total test case failed is 1. Okay, so likewise we can get the output, and here we can get the class name. So from the class day 4, we pass 3 test cases. From the day 1, one test case get failed. From day 1 class, this test case get passed. From day 2, this 3 test cases get passed, and from day 3, this test cases get passed. So likewise we can get the report. Okay, so we can also just right click and get the properties of the index.html, or we can just copy this path and it paste it in the browser. So here also we can get the output. Okay, so it is a index.html. So here, yes, so these are the past methods. Okay, so these are different past methods, and this is the failed method, and here also given the reason why it is failed. So expected true, but we found false because intentionally we make it as a false. Okay, in the assert true which we have used. Okay, so it is giving the reason why that test case get failed. So likewise we can generate the report also inside the TestNg. Okay, yes, so this is about the reporting. So now we have learned about the listeners, then parallel test execution, and the test ng reports. Okay,